म्हादय न्हंय संदर्भात फाटले कितलेशेच दीस गोंयांत बोवाळ चालू आसा. केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्रालयान कर्नाटकाक म्हादयचें उदक व्हरपाक पर्यावरणाचो दाखलो दिल्ल्यान गोंय सरकारान दिल्लीक सर्वपक्षीय शिष्टमंडळ व्हेल्लें. मात आतां गोंयचो WRD खात्याचो मंत्री म्हणटा केंद्रीय मंत्र्यान कर्नाटकाक दिल्ल्या पत्राक कसलोच अधिकार ना. केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री प्रकाश जावडेकरान कर्नाटकाक दिल्ल्या पत्राक म्हत्व आसा जाल्यार कर्नाटक सरकारान तें पत्र न्यायालयान दाखोवन तांचे वाटेन म्हादयचो निकाल करून घेवचो असो सल्लो मंत्री फिलीप नेरी रॉड्रिग्सान दिला. केंद्र सरकारानय गोंयाक सकयलो दर्जो दिवचो न्ही. गरज पडल्यार केंद्रीय मंत्रालयाचेर न्यायालयाचो अपमान केला म्हूण गुन्हो घालपाची शिटकावणी मंत्री रॉड्रिग्सान दिल्या.
Goan should not worry as regards to Madai water diversion. We will see that we will not allow diversion. Through court we have to fight.
So now
these letters are not relevant before the court. Let them show to the court and let them have their case. See, that is the correspondence between the central ministry and Karnataka government.
Yeah.
We have a case before the Supreme Court. Let them produce this letter before the court and make their case strong. We will see.
At the same time, your concerned minister is also part of the same central government, which is your party holding.
See, I don't know the intent of the central ministry for clarification, getting this. But we are sure that we have a strong case before the Supreme Court. And that's why they are struggling just to sort clarifications. This is my submission. They are confused. We are not. The state government, Goa government is not confused as regards to our case. They must be confused how to take escape route. But we have a strong case before the Supreme Court.
Don't you think that center is taking
Granted.
See, if center is taking granted, if center is taking Goa for granted, we will see that to challenge the central government also. If needs be.
Those falls and all have been dried up, right?
See, I agree that there is an effect
Yeah.
of their construction which were carried out earlier, for which we have filed a contempt petition. Our team went and inspected the site in our own way. Recently, I can just Friday, and we have bought the report.
Yeah.
It's an authenticated report by our own officials, for which I have perused the file. I have sent the file to Advocate General also. How to get this development to the Supreme Court? Disobedience.
But water has been diverted.
See, it is naturally
It is gone.
gone.
Naturally. It is naturally gone.
Yeah, because of their construction in such a way, they have constructed that conduit in such a way.
How much quantity it has passed?
See, that cannot be measured.
Yeah.
There is no any mechanism to measure. But our point is that to get this to the notice of the Supreme Court, that we have taken a strong note of this.
After all this, you are taking up this with Supreme Court now.
Definitely, with the facts and figures. We have taken
The
photograph.
water has been diverted.
Yes.
Without the
Yeah,
notice.
it is a fact.
Without award has been notified.
Naturally, water is carrying towards the other basin. From other basin to
constructing in such a way.
केंद्र सरकारान कर्नाटक सरकाराक म्हादय संदर्भात परवाने दिले तरी ताका म्हत्व ना. म्हादयचो विशय न्यायालयान आशिल्ल्यान कर्नाटकाक न्यायालयाचो निकाल जाय मेरेन कितेंच करपाक मेळचें ना. म्हादय न्हंयचें उदक कर्नाटकाक वचपाक लागिल्ल्यान ताचो गोंयचेर परिणाम जावपाक लागला. हें आतां न्यायालयाक गोंय सरकार दाखयतलें अशें मंत्री फिलीप नेरी रॉड्रिग्सान मंत्रालयान घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत जाहीर केलां.
the matter is before the Supreme Court. The tribunal award has to be notified. Unless and until it is notified, they cannot seek the permission. And to notify the award of the tribunal, they need to wait for the Supreme Court order. Supreme Court has to decide about the petition filed by all three states. And there are interim orders also. So unless and until the Supreme Court disposes our petitions, they cannot even notify the tribunal award. So in this situation, it is not that easy for Karnataka to seek permission from the Ministry of Environment, from the Wildlife Board. So they need to wait for the judgment by the Supreme Court. So there is no need to get panicky. There is no need to get apprehensive about the diversion. So Mr. Javadekar is on the record that Goa's interests will be protected. So in his letter, he has not given any weightage to the Karnataka by this clarification. It is very much clear. He said Karnataka can start the work provided after the gazette notification of tribunal necessary forest wildlife permission. So this permission they have to wait till the Supreme Court gives us the judgment. So I want to clarify, as a Minister for Water Resource, we have a clear legal strength to fight. If required, we will challenge these letters also. We should not get disturbed because of their correspondence. Because the central Ministry of Environment has clarified and kept the things in abeyance. They have not suspended the EIA notification of 2000.
But what this letter, third letter and first letter is like, EC is not required for the project.
Yeah.
Whether your letter has been kept in abeyance or not, that doesn't make any sense, because through this letter he says that you don't require EC only.
See, as in
what is the validity of the letter which has been issued to you saying that it is kept in abeyance?
See, this letter has there is no value for this letter as regards to starting the work of the Kalsa Bandura Nala.
No, but again that letter which has kept in abeyance has also no value.
No.
Because this letter, third letter says that you don't require EC.
Yeah, but here the letter dated 18 December, which is kept in abeyance, the earlier has not given any scope for them to start the work.
EC doesn't require, still EC they don't require EC only to start the project.
Yeah, that they have clarified in this case also. But we are happy with this letter of 18 December that it is clarified that we have brought the fact to the notice of the. He has mentioned here, based on the facts.
Yeah.
So we have given the facts and figures.
That is right.
So based on the fact made available subsequently to this ministry. So that means our mission, all party delegation going and meeting them is a success, because they have
second paragraph of this letter, that below letter, that
this is
this letter you read second.
the award has also been challenged by the state of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra before Honorable Supreme Court. In SLP, this is the filed by the state of Goa. The Honorable Supreme Court has issued notices to the state. He has mentioned the fact.
That is what. But you read this paragraph that second paragraph.
See, Karnataka can start the work only.
Second about that.
Let me make the position clear. Government of India has not kept in abeyance EIA. See, as regards to EIA notification, they have not suspended. No, they have not suspended this 2006 rules.
Yeah.
That remains as it is.
Yeah. So as per those rules,
But
they
this
don't require EC.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But they need
So
to.
But government has been fighting that
They
required
need-
EC
EC required for the project,
That is
no.
the main contention of the state government, that the Kalsa Bandura project requires EC.
What do you want to clarify? No. See, exactly. See, here is a confusion. Here is a confusion. That's why I need to address a press conference to clear this confusion.
Okay.
To clear this confusion. For drinking water, there is no need of EC as
But
regards.
this is not purely a drinking water project.
We have challenged.
Yes, government has to.
Yes, that is
That
why.
government has to justify.
Yes, that is what we have proved. That is why everything has been kept in abeyance. Everything has been stopped because we have been able to prove that this is not a purely drinking water project. Had it been a purely drinking water project, EC would not have been required. But we have been able to prove before the authorities that this is not a purely drinking water project. It has so many other ramifications.
That
Water diversion is taking
we have
place.
disputed, no? We have
So
disputed.
that is, and we have been able to convince. That is why everything has been kept in abeyance, and it has been said that unless the award takes a finality. Finality means all the petitions, all the representations, they are disposed of by the tribunal as well as the Supreme Court. Once everything is disposed of, only then notification will take place. And once notification takes place, after that you can do whatever you want with the necessary approvals and permissions.